Now we're gonna watch Yoda sexually assaults Peter Griffin in the Subway restaurant bathroom. I don't know what I'm watching, but we're gonna react to it, so let's watch it.
Everybody look at the snow in the yard.
Saw your fat ass in line, I did. Ordering the turkey club you were. See you on the menu, I did not.
What? Who the hell are you?
Who I am matters not. Now, take off your fucking...
Please. I don't want this. I can't take it anymore. I'm begging you.
Stop crying, you slut.
This is so unepic.
What the fuck? Holy shit, dude, that was fucking weird. Hope you guys enjoyed my reaction to this. It's called Yoda gets sexually assaulted. Yoda gets sexually assaulted Peter Griffin at a Subway restaurant bathroom. And the video was made by Kent Masley. I don't know why this guy makes the animation, but it's fucking funny and it's fucked up at the same time. So if you guys want to watch the video, it's on his channel. So yeah, it's kind of weird. So yeah, guys, later.